If your new patient process feels more like an intake form than an introduction, you're leaving trust, treatment acceptance, and long-term loyalty on the table. The good news? You can fix it. And it starts with building a patient experience your whole team can own. This might be the most important non-clinical workshop you've ever attended. That's right. Most workshops, clinical especially, are flooded with dentists. We love going to those clinical workshops because we think we're going to get faster. We're going to add a procedure. Our ROI is going to be off the charts. But guess what? None of those things matter if you don't know how to welcome a patient in the practice. If you don't know how to communicate with that patient. Same goes for your team. This workshop, the new patient experience, is likely the best investment you can make in your practice, in your team, and in your patients. Technical skill matters, but it's not the main driver of case acceptance or patient loyalty. Multiple studies have shown that 75% of high performers succeed because of emotional intelligence and communication, not clinical ability. This workshop, the new patient experience, teaches your team to build rapport, read the room, and guide patients towards better, healthier choices. So what are you going to learn? You're going to learn how to structure trust-building conversations. You're going to practice skills in an office setting. No fluff, no theory. And you're going to learn how to create repeatable patient-centered processes unique to your practice. Don't take it from me. Take it from past attendees. The best non-clinical CE I've taken in 30 years. Motivated my team like nothing before. Space is limited, so check out inspiroteam.com. There'll be a link in the description. Takes you directly to the page. There's a learn more button if you want more details. There's pricing information. Hopefully we'll see you in September in Midland, Texas.